Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the top 5 mirror dash cams of 2026. Mirror dash cams are more than just rear view mirrors. They combine safety features, video recording, and smart technology all in one. We're going to look at their video quality, night vision, ADAS safety systems, Wi-Fi connectivity, GPS, installation process, and more, so you can see which one is right for your car. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in. Number 1. 12-inch mirror dash cam, 4K UHD front plus 2.5K rear. This one is an all-rounder. The 4K front camera captures clear details, while the 2.5K rear camera keeps everything behind you visible. ADAS, or Advanced Driver Assistance System, gives lane departure warnings and blind spot detection. I tested it in both daytime and night conditions, and the video quality is impressive. The 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi makes transferring recordings to your phone or PC almost instant. Voice control is convenient for hands-free operation, although it can take a little getting used to. 12-inch mirror dash cam, 4K UHD front, 2.5K rear camera, ADAS, BSD, LCA smart mode, GPS tracking, G sensor, loop recording, parking monitor, voice control, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. Pros: crisp 4K front and detailed rear video, smart ADAS safety features, voice control for safer operation, reliable parking monitor. Mount it slightly higher on your rear view mirror to avoid obstructing your view while still capturing the road. Number 2. Pelsee 4K plus 2.5K mirror dash cam, P12 Pro Max. This one is the night driving champion. The Starvis sensors deliver color night vision, meaning your night recordings are bright and detailed. The OBD hardwire kit allows seamless power connection without messy wires. It also has large, clear 12-inch display and supports all the standard safety features like lane departure and blind spot detection. Front Starvis 2 IMX678 and rear IMX335 sensor, color night vision, ADAS and BSD, OBD hardwire kit and 128 GB card included, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, 12-inch display. Pros: amazing night vision, large clear 12-inch display, OBD kit included for easy installation, comprehensive safety systems. Use the 128 GB card to record long trips without worrying about storage, and remember to calibrate ADAS if you adjust your seat height. Number 3. AZDOME PG17 2CH mirror dash cam. The AZDOME PG17 is ideal for tech lovers. The touchscreen makes navigating menus quick and intuitive. Reverse Assist helps you park safely, and the 24-hour parking mode records motion or impact even when your car is off. 12-inch touchscreen, 4K front camera, 24-hour parking mode, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, Reverse Assist and voice commands. Pros: easy-to-use touchscreen, 24-hour parking mode for peace of mind, voice command capable, GPS logs your trips. Use the Reverse Assist lines for tight parking spots. They're surprisingly accurate. Number 4. JOMISE T860 Plus Mirror Dash Cam. The JOMISE T860 Plus is super easy to install thanks to the detached front camera. No need to remove your original mirror. The rear camera has 3x zoom, which is perfect if you have a larger vehicle or need to see far behind. Night vision is solid, though not quite as strong as the Pelsee. 4K front, 2.5K rear, detached front camera for 10-minute install, 3x zoom rear, 64 GB card included, night vision, GPS, and parking assist. Pros: quick installation in 10 minutes, zoomable rear camera, night vision and WDR for low light clarity, memory card included. Adjust the rear camera angle slightly upward to minimize blind spots. This is especially helpful on SUVs. Number 5. Pelsee P12 Plus Rear View Mirror Camera. The P12 Plus is a more budget-friendly version of the Pro Max. It still delivers excellent 4K video and comes with ADAS, blind spot detection, and WDR night vision. It's reliable for daily driving and long trips. Front and rear cameras, ADAS and BSD, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, WDR night vision, 64 GB card included, 12-inch display, voice control. Pros, balanced performance and price. Voice control makes it safer to use. WDR night vision for low light clarity. GPS logs your journeys. Great for daily commuters who want safety and recording without breaking the bank. And that's a wrap on the top 5 mirror dash cams of 2026. Whether you're looking for crystal clear 4K video, advanced safety features, easy installation, or a budget-friendly option, there's a dash cam for every driver. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future tech and car gadget reviews. Also, check out the links in the description to grab these dash cams and see the latest prices. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.